gorgeous ones. I'm literally just getting ready to put a sheet mask on my face. So you know how you get your Serenity Spritz, and with the Serenity Spritz, regardless whether it's the blue one or skin types or the pink one, you get sheet masks, and they're usually covered in a plastic. I've just taken it out. And then what I want you to do is just shake your spritz, open the bottle, and you're literally just going to pour some in there. You can see how quickly that expanded. Now, I'd say I think it takes about a tablespoon, I would say. Like, that definitely needs more moisture. And then it needs more spritz. But I'm just showing you how quickly that opens up. Okay, just so that the video isn't too long, because it's harder to unravel it when it's really wet. But basically you can open it up like that, then you can get your spritz and just either spray some on or just pour a little bit more on, depending on how moist you'd like it. Now what I want you to do, because honestly you'll thank me for this, message me afterwards and let me know how much you love how it feels. You can just cleanse, spritz your skin and just put this on, but if you've got either head to toe balm, lavender balm, or the vitamin E balm or the meditation balm, massage that, open the channels always, massage it onto the skin, and then pop the sheet mask on with your Serenity Spritz, and you will thank me for it. Leave it on for at least 15-20 minutes. Once this is on the skin, if your skin's a bit more dehydrated, you can just over the top while it's on your face, shake your spritz and spray some on. You will love it. You can do this obviously when you're watching TV, ideally relaxing, but you can pretty much walk around with it as long as you're not leaning forwards.
Hello my lovely, so here you go. I've just popped it on. Looks quite funny with my glasses on, but do you know what? I can pop around, I can make myself a cup of tea, I can get things done and have this on, so you don't have to wait. I mean, I'm, you know, on bed mode, but you don't have to wait to do your sheet mask. As long as your skin's clean, if you've come home, you've had your shower, your skin's clean, then open up those channels, you know, get your balm, massage it up on, you know, up and out into the skin, so you're doing a bit of lymphatic drainage. Then put your sheet mask on. Honestly, you will honestly thank me for it. Clarity and light, you know it's all organic, it's beautiful, it's super hydrating, it's really soothing as well. And if you do feel like the surface feels like a little bit, it's a bit dry, then you're just going to get your spritz again, give it a shake, and just job done. All right, my beautiful one. So those of you who have been using it, you've been saying that you're loving it. I know, isn't it so good? And some of you have kept them as souvenirs. Get them out, get them out. You're not going to regret it. So I will just peel this off in, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and honestly, it's like having, you know, one of my friends actually said she feels like she's had a Botox treatment with it. Not that I'm into that, but she felt very firm and hydrated. You really do. It just gets all absorbed in. It's fabulous. All right, take care, everyone.